Science Gallery runs lots of education programs, and one of our core education programs is the Transition Year Mentoring Program. We run it several times a year. We take 20 students who apply from all over the country, and they come to Science Gallery to take part in a week-long program where they get to get really stuck in with science and art. They get to meet cutting-edge scientists, artists and designers, and they get a behind-the-scenes look at what happens at Science Gallery. And really what we hope that students get from that is a really broad experience of science. So we try and open their eyes to the different possibilities that are out there, the kind of things that are going to be coming online when they're going to university.
Synthetic biology is a pretty new field that's going to become more and more important, and it's got pretty complex moral issues because it involves engineering biology for various different uses. The kids that are coming into us for TY Week are going to be the people who are living in this synthetic biology world and the people who are going to be making decisions about it. So if we can get them to start thinking about it now, and whether they become synthetic biologists or just consuming it, I think it's really important to get them involved.
We had a lot of hands-on science, which I think was a lot better, and it's kind of original because I don't know anywhere else that does it, and it kind of makes it more fun than what you do in school and you stare at a book for an hour.
I love science, I love technology. Science is really weird, and I want to see how weird it gets.
It's learning about synthetic biology, when this is stuff I didn't think was possible really, and this is this stuff's actually happening, and sometimes it's just really interesting to find out. I think this would definitely push me in a direction to what subjects I want to take, and be more informed about this in general.
Building the microscopes was really good because it showed how easy it is to get advanced technology to work at home. I thought that was really good. I have imaginations in my head of becoming a biohacker now, trying to get into life and stuff. If I run at home, I'd use it to test my own blood every now and again and see how it's keeping, and I'll just magnify various different fields, see what's going on.
We're trying to encourage the next generation of students to get involved in the STEM disciplines. It's just so important that we have both males and females getting involved in the science and technology subjects, and it's really to create awareness of the different jobs that are out there. I think a lot of the time people are very familiar with the traditional engineering roles, but they don't understand a lot of the other roles that there are within engineering that we do in Intel.
The most exciting thing about running the TY Week is seeing students come in at the start. They're curious about what might happen. They're sometimes a little even apprehensive about what they're going to be doing, and seeing them transform throughout the week into these confident students who can solve problems and are really interested in types of science that they didn't even know existed before they came to the Science Gallery. So I think that's really exciting. It's sort of a transformation.